How to transfer Pi currency to Trust Wallet. I'm going to tell you how to transfer Pi currency to Trust Wallet. First, you need to understand that Pi network is still in its enclosed mainnet phase, meaning you can only transfer Pi if your account has been KYC verified and you're part of the migration. Open the Pi Network app on your phone and check if your Pi balance is eligible for mainnet transfer. If it is, you'll see an option to move your tokens to the Pi mainnet wallet. Set up your Pi wallet inside the app. If you haven't already, it's different from Trust Wallet and is needed for the initial migration. Now, here's the important part. You can't directly transfer Pi to Trust Wallet yet because Pi isn't listed on most public blockchains. But when Pi becomes open to external wallets and exchanges, you'll be able to import your wallet using a private key or transfer tokens using your wallet address. For now, the best move is to monitor announcements from the Pi core team. Once Open Mainnet begins, you'll be able to send Pi to a supported address on Trust Wallet, assuming it gets integrated. Until then, patience is key.